How to make Microsoft Edge default browser in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. On your system, left-click on the Windows icon. A menu will appear. Click on Settings. Now in the Settings, on the left side panel click on Apps. A new window will appear. Click on the Default Apps option. Now, in the Default Apps all your apps will appear. For setting Edge as the default browser, type Edge in the search box. Then, click on it. Now, from the top right panel, click on the Set Default option. Finally, Microsoft Edge set as your default browser. And that's it. This is the easiest method to make Microsoft Edge default browser in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.